These notes are on composite or irregular shapes or figures, whichever one you want to call them. So the first thing we're going to do is decompose. So when you decompose, you break them apart. Okay, so we're going to break apart our shape into individual pieces that we can work with. Alright, so let's look at the triangle first. So we have a triangle that has a height of 7 meters and a base of 6 meters. And we find the area of a triangle. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Then we'll need to find the area of our rectangle. So we have a rectangle that has a length of 10 meters and a width of 6 meters. And we find the area of a rectangle by multiplying length times width. Alright, so our triangle first. So we have 6 times 7 divided by 2, which gives us 42 divided by 2, which is 21 meters squared. Then we have our rectangle, which is 10 times 6, which gives us 60 meters squared. And then we add up our parts. Alright, so we add them up. So we got 21 meters squared plus 60 meters squared, which gives us a total area of 81 meters squared. So the area of our composite shape is 81 meters squared. Let's look at another. So here we have 2 triangles that make up this composite shape. So the first thing I'm going to do is decompose. So I have a right triangle that has a height of 6 feet and a base of 5 feet. Okay, and I know I use my formula, area equals base times height divided by 2. Alright, and then I have my other triangle that's also a right triangle. And it has a height of 3 feet and a base of 4 feet. So then I find the area of each. So I have 6 times 5 divided by 2, which gives us 30 divided by 2, which is 15 feet squared. Then I have a 3 by 12 triangle divided by 2, which gives us, sorry, not 3 by 12, 3 by 4 triangle, which gives us 12 divided by 2, which is 6 feet squared for that triangle. So then I combine them. 15 feet squared plus 6 feet squared gives me a total of 21 feet squared. So the area of this composite shape is 21 feet squared. So let's look at another rectangle that has a piece missing. And our directions tell us to calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay, so we're going to find the area of the shaded region. Alright, so first, when we have a shape like this, we want to do the area of the whole shape first. Okay, so we have a rectangle, so length times width. So we got 28 times 13. Alright, I'm going to work it out. So we get 364 meters squared. Alright, then we want to find the area of the part that's not shaded. So we have an 8 by 5 meter rectangle, which gives us 40 meters squared. So to find the area of the shaded region only, we're going to subtract. So we're going to do 364 minus 40. Alright, so that gives us 4 and 2 and 3. So the area of the shaded region is 324 meters squared. Last one, it says below is a square which has a rectangle measuring 4 by 3 centimeters removed. So find the area of the shaded part again. So they told us that this measures 4 by 3 centimeters. So that gives us a 12 centimeter square or rectangle. And then we have the square, which measures 7 by 7. So square equals side squared, area equals side squared. Alright, so we get 49, and then we have to take away the 12, this middle part, and we get 9 minus 2, 4 minus 1. So our area is 37 centimeters squared, and this is just for the shaded region.